In this video, we are going to look at coding for the mental system, the sense organs, and infectious and parasitic diseases. So just like our regular diagnoses, you will use the alphabetical index and the tabular list. There's not a special part of the index you will use to look up these codes, just the regular alphabetical index. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 scenarios. I want you to pause in between each scenario, look up the code, unpause, and compare with my correct answer. So our first scenario, we have a 29-year-old coming into our clinic today who's being seen with depression, anxiety. So go ahead and pause the video. We're going to go through how to code it when you unpause. So hopefully for this code, you have F41.8, F41.8, other specified anxiety disorder, so the anxiety depression right there. And how we found this was by going to depression, and then anxiety, and we get F41.8. So let's do our second scenario. Our second scenario, we have a 65-year-old male who's being seen for primary open-angle glaucoma, bilateral, that's a moderate. So go ahead and pause the video and then unpause when you think you have it. So for this code, you should have H40.1132. H40.1113, and then 2 for the moderate. So our code reads primary open-angle glaucoma, bilateral, moderate stage. So how you found this was by going to glaucoma, once we get to glaucoma, we would do the primary open angle and build the rest of the code once we get to the tabular. So you would have got the H40.11, so the first 5 characters, and then the 6th and 7th character would come from building this in the tabular. Okay, our third scenario for today, we have a 66-year-old female who is admitted with adenoviral pneumonia. Go ahead and pause the video, unpause when you think you have the correct code. For this code, you should have J12.0, adenoviral pneumonia, and our key word that we're looking up there in our index is pneumonia. Remember, go to the disease, the condition, the noun. Do not go to the anatomical site or the type. So we would go to PN pneumonia. Once we're at pneumonia, we would go to adenoviral, and that's where we get our J12.0.